Hello and welcome in this video. In this video, we will create your next beautiful portfolio. And with this portfolio, you can find your dream job. You can find your next job. We have the beautiful hero section. We have the button to contact you by email. We have the section for your work experience. You have a section for your education. You can complete if you want. You have a section for your beautiful project. Okay. And if I click, I can see the code of the project and I can see also um, the live demo of the project online. Okay. We have also the different link for your social platform. So the code of this project is public. You can clone and you can use this project, the code of this project if you want. Okay. And also it is the quick code, it is the easy code. Your manager, your next manager can read easily this code. So in this video we use DaisyUI, okay, to build a beautiful component easily. We'll use Tailwind CSS. We use Navbar.js. So welcome and let's start to build your next portfolio. So now let's start to install Navbar.js. On my browser, I search navbar.js.org and I copy this link. And in my editor code, I can paste. I click on enter. Okay, so the name of my project, it is the portfolio project. So I use my first name, Osiris, and my second name also. But you can use the name of the project that you want. After I click on enter, TypeScript, yes, we will use TypeScript in this project. So I choose yes, link yes, Tailwind CSS yes, SRC directory no, we will use app directory, app router yes, turbo pack no, just no. So customize alias import no again. So we wait for a few minutes to install our Nest.js project. So now open again our terminal and we can do npm run dev, enter. Okay, so we can view the link of our project on this link. So in my browser, I can search, I can enter this link, and we wait for few minutes. So it is the landing page of the new Next.js project. We need also to install DaisyUI. So I open the official website of DaisyUI, and now I can install DaisyUI. So install, I change the language, I can search, I can select English language. So to install DaisyUI, I can copy, and in my terminal, I can now paste. And after to install DaisyUI. So DaisyUI is installed. Now how we can add DaisyUI. So example repository, I click on this link, and in this file, Tailwind config.js, okay, this it is the way to install, to use DaisyUI. So now I can copy, and in my VS Code, in this file, I can now do the same thing. I can paste. Okay. So now I can save. Great. So now we need to use DaisyUI team. On DaisyUI website, uh, we we can see many many team, and it is also possible to customize our team, to add our personal team. So how we can do it? If we see the these docs, okay, we see this doc. Uh, we can use this method to add our personal team. So we need to add the name, to define the name, our personal type, and another field. On this UI, we have primary color, secondary color, accent color. Here we can see. So each color, it depends by the theme. So here the primary color is blue because our theme is corporate, and the theme corporate, the primary color of the theme corporate is blue. So it depends is if now I select another theme as a synthwave, okay, the primary color is not blue, okay. So it depends. So now we will use two main color. First main color is black, and second main color is white. So on Tailwind CSS official website of Tailwind CSS docs, and if I see or if I search the color, okay, the color we can see neutral color. So we will use this color, this CSS, this Tailwind CSS color. Okay, so now I return on my VS Code. Okay, I click on, I write DaisyUI. After, okay, so team, config, team. Okay, so it is here, team. Okay, and after, okay, after now it is important to respect the schema to add the customized DaisyUI theme. So now the name of our team, I can use just team, my team. Okay, so just my team. Okay, import Daisy from DaisyUI. So I resolve the error, but we can also another the error. We can also another error. So require, okay, if I delete require, all right now I can save the neutral color Tailwind CSS color theme. The primary color is neutral, okay, primary focus, okay, and primary content, okay. As a button, the color of a button uh, will be neutral, okay, and the focus, the color of the focus of this button is here, okay, and also the content secondary button. So don't worry, we will use Tailwind, we will use a DaisyUI color and the theme together. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, Don't worry. Great. So now if I return on my application, okay, all right, great. So in this step on of our video, we will add the nav component. So here it is our nav component. If I see on mobile device, okay, we have the menu, and if I click on the menu, we can see the different link of the menu. Okay, and on desktop device, our menu is a centered. Great. So now how we can develop this nav component. So if I return on DaisyUI website, and in the component DaisyUI, I can search navbar component. So I click on navbar component. Okay, so here it is the different type of navbar. We have navbar start, okay, navbar center, and navbar end. So I can see we can see the different way to develop the navbar component with DaisyUI. So we will use this navbar. Great. So now I return in my VS Code, and I can create now the folder component folder. Okay, and in the folder component, I can create now. I need to create the file navbar, the file of our navbar component. Okay, so now I need to define our component navbar, the function of our component navbar. So I can write export default function navbar, okay, and return our navbar. So if I return on DaisyUI website, I click on here on GSX, and I can copy just. So I copy just, okay. I can save. After in your page, we have page.tsx here. So in this page, okay, we can insert our navbar component. So I can write just I need this element, and in enter, yes, in enter I can write just navbar component. So after, it is necessary to import our navbar. Okay, so now if I save and I return on my page, okay, I can see uh, my navbar. So now we needed to customize our navbar. Okay, this is our navbar. So we need to customize our navbar. Okay, to have this appearance. So now we have the title DaisyUI. So I can change this title DaisyUI here. Okay, so it is just my first name and my second name. So okay, if I save and I see, okay, I see my first name and my second name. Great. So now we need to modify the link of our navbar. So here it is experience project education. So we need to replace. Okay. So when we see the curl, okay, we have the drop down. Okay, so this thing it is for mobile TVs. Okay, we need to have drop down, and with it we can click on the menu. We have this button. Okay, also we have this SVG, and this SVG it is the icon of our menu. Okay, for the test we have two menu. First menu it is for mobile device, and second menu it is for desktop device. I can test just if I click item test, I save. Okay, okay, we cannot see this modification on desktop device, but if I switch on mobile device and I click on my menu button or menu icon, I can see item test. Okay, so uh, here now it is for, so here it is for mobile device. So now we have first link is experience. I can write experience. Okay, after second link is project, and third link is education. So we don't need this element. I can delete just this element. Okay, after I can duplicate this element and I can modify. So project. Okay, project, and after education link. Okay, great. So if I save and if I see on mobile device, okay, we have experience, projects, and education. Okay, great. I can do the same thing on desktop device. So I copy just this and I return on desktop desktop device code. I delete, I replace, and I have the error. What is the error? Okay, so it is normal. Okay, I forget some element. Okay, so now if I do it and I replace, okay, I don't have the error, and now all right. Okay, experience projects and education. Great. So now I need to customize this button. It is a contact. Okay. So now I need to customize this button. So on DaisyUI, if I click on colors, okay, or if I return, I return in my personal team. Okay, so personal team. So I can adjust. Okay, I can modify just the button, of the project. So I can adjust btn. Okay, primary. So I say because if we see our team, we can see primary. Okay, it is the neutral color. Neutral color is the black color of Tailwind CSS. Okay, so BG primary, it is background primary. Okay, so we I say just okay this button. Okay, choose the primary color of my team, and the primary color of my team, okay, is natural. And when my button chose the primary color, he chose also the focus and also the content color. Okay, so when I click, okay, so now all right, all right, all thing works, but now we need to add something, just something. So now we needed to use the component link of nest.js. Okay, so before to use this component link, I can import this component of nest.js. So import link from nest.js. Okay, and I can replace just. So here I have experience. Okay, I can replace just okay, and for half, okay, for half of this link, it is just experience. Okay, so I need to do the same thing for another link. So here, half is project, and here half is education. Okay, so when the users or when we click on experience, okay, we go to experience section. When we click on project, we go to project section. When we click on education, we go to education section. Okay, so, and after I can add the ID on each section. Okay, but before we needed to add this thing. Okay, we will see after. Great. So now I can copy just and on desktop device I replace just. Okay, great. So uh, okay, here also I need to add also on this link. Okay, after the half of this link is when the user click, uh, he can write, he can send me the message directly by email. Okay, so I can do this now. So okay, the point, and I can adjust my email. Okay, and I save. So now, okay, when um, when I click, when I click, I can open my inbox directly. And when I see my navbar on mobile device, okay, the link are here, and the button contact works also. Great. So now we needed to add our session hero. This it is our section hero. We needed to develop this section. So when I go on DaisyUI website and I select component, after I select hero, I see this section. This, yes, this section, this component. So I can copy GSS, I can copy just, and in my VS Code, I can create the hero component, okay, hero.tss, okay. So now I can define I can export my component, okay, export default function hero, okay, after return, and I can paste. So now I can add this component in our page file. So in my page file, I can write just hero, okay, and here I can import our hero component. Great. If I see, okay, so we needed to change the content and to complete another thing. Now uh, I return on hero component file, okay. So the title I needed to change just, okay. So here start building, okay, anything. So now it's good. So I can change the size of the text of the title, okay. I want to choose just, okay. So now if I return, okay, so wait, um after we have the background, okay, and I can change, okay, 200, just 100, okay, 100. Great. So after the paragraph, we needed to change the paragraph of the hero section. So hi, okay, I can copy just here, okay. I copy just here, and now I can paste, okay. And if I see, okay, hi, but I needed to change the size of my paragraph, so I can complete uh, this thing element, okay. Okay, okay. So now is better. Great. Uh, Here I can add also my email address. Okay. So I can use here the Next.js link component. Okay. So ref um, mail to, okay, my Gmail address, and also link. So now we needed to import the component link. So import, yes, okay. So I can if I click on my button, my address email will be open directly, and I can start to write to send the mail if I want. Okay. So how can I modify again on this component? I think that all thing is good. Step of this video, we can develop now the component experience. So I write export default function experience. Okay. Return. So I use the div, and I can define the size of my section. So class name. Okay. And so I use the container Tailwind CSS class after I define the size of my section. Okay. I add now the automatic merge. Okay. So margin left auto, and also margin right auto. Okay. Painting 6. Okay. Test center, and also ID. Okay. Experience. Okay. So when I add this ID on my section, I can have the possibility to click on experience, and I can see directly the work experience component, the work experience section, and also if I click on project, okay, I can see the section project. So continuous. Now I needed to have the title. Okay. I name the text of my title is work experience. Okay. To personalize, to customize my title, I add the class name. After margin button, and also the font family. Great. So now I will use the Tailwind CSS flex to display this section. Okay. So now I have now another div element. Okay, and for this on this element, I can use flex. Okay, flex row. Okay, justify between margin bottom 6. Okay, justify between because this container, okay, will be accept two element. Okay, this element and also this element. Now I define the container, this container, to accept two element. So now I define the container to accept this element. Okay, to define the first element, and after also I define the div for the second element to accept the second element, and this second element is the date. Okay, last name test, the small text size, also test gray 500, test right, margin left 2, and white space no wrap. And here I can write the date, January today, January 2025 today. So I add my component in my page. So here I write experience. I see, and when I see my browser, okay, uh, it is the result. So now we can define the first element. To do this here now. Okay, and the first element contain the image and also the text. So when I go on DaisyUI website, I search avatar, okay, and I can use just this. I want to use just this thing. So I can copy. Okay, I return in my VS Code and I can replace. Okay, so div class name avatar. Okay, so Daisy UI avatar. Okay, to delimit my code. Okay, so the size of my my avatar. I want to use just in the 8. Okay. Rounded full, margin right 2. Okay. And after overflow, okay. So now I want to use I needed to use the native image component from Nest.js. So image, okay, and we will define the address of the image. We will define also and the class name of my of the image objective, uh, object cover. Okay, full also. Okay, now import the component, the native component image from Nest.js. Import image. Okay, I can save. So now what what can I do again? I needed to complete this step to add now the content after my image. Okay, so after my image I needed to add now the content. So I have some error. Okay, but don't worry, we will resolve this error after. But or we can resolve now. Okay, just to define the correct image. Okay, so now here I import YouTube from, okay, public I don't see the image YouTube. Okay, I add the image YouTube now. I add the image YouTube and now I can import YouTube image, and here I replace just by YouTube image. Okay, so now src YouTube. I save, and when I return, okay, I can see my YouTube image. So continuous continuous after image. Now we can add the test. I define another div. Okay, class name flex. Okay, flex call. Let's call because the test we have many tests, and the tests are column. Okay, we see the test in column, so we use flex call test left. Okay, so now I can add the title, HTML title for, okay, to display the title of our company. So here it is YouTube. Okay, when I save, okay, I see YouTube. I can customize my title with Tailwind CSS class name. So test. Okay, when I save now, okay, I see my still on my test. I use now the HTML title 5, okay, to define my my role. So here is software. Okay, class name, there's Groy 60 100. I save, okay, and I see YouTube software engineer. So now I needed to add another div, now to display the paragraph, to display the link. Okay, view detail and hide detail. So let's start to do it. Okay, so div again. Okay, and I can use for the paragraph. Okay, my class name, okay, is a small test to display view detail or hide detail. Okay, test blue. Okay, cursor. Okay, to appear the cursor when the user decide to click on it. Here, for example, when I do this, I can see the cursor, okay, as the link. It is possible with cursor pointer. Now I needed to define the function. Okay, the function, and here, okay, const toggle details. Okay, I need now to define the state and to import the state. So import use state from React. Okay, from React. And now on here, I can add on click on my paragraph. Okay, so I can add on click on my paragraph. Okay, and when the user click on this link, okay, the function toggle detail is execute. So I can use now the state to display view details or hide details. Okay, state is open, index hide detail. If not, display view detail. Okay, right. So cannot find name index. We can resolve this error. Okay, I need now to add the function map, the map function of React. Just here, I have my first element and my second element. So I can use the map function of React. Okay, so experiences map. Okay, to define the index. Okay, and after I can close now. I can close here. And I have another error because I needed to add the key. Okay, so here I can add my key. Okay, and my key is my index. Okay, so now I needed to define experiences. So here here we have many experiences. So it it will be important to define the array with our different experience. So here I can define the type of the data for each experience. So I write interface, okay, experience type, okay, and we have the data company to display the name of for each company of our section experience. So company, okay, with type will be a string, after also or, and the type will be also string, after logo. So logo is the image for each company. So we use static image data. So static image data, it is the native type for image from Navbar.js. Okay, after we will import this this thing. Okay, after or is also imported. Okay, import image static image data from Nester image. Now we have the date, after details details to display the paragraph. Okay, so we define our type. So now we can define our URI. So here I can write const experiences. Okay, const experiences. Okay, use interface experience type. Okay, as a URI, and accept now my data. So my first company, or my actual company, okay, is YouTube. Okay, after I am a software engineer. Okay, and image I can use YouTube image. import date now. Okay, June 2024. Today, okay, details. Can you just Lorem ipsum test? Okay, I save. So when I see my page project, okay, I have this error because I needed to define my component as client because Nested.js use uh, client component and server component. Okay, so use client. I save now. Okay, so I see this thing. Okay, so now the link view details and hide details does not work. We will correct. We will add this thing after. Now I can add now my data. So now my the address for each image will be his point logo. Okay, and after um, the, the second attribute of my image, okay, will be the name of my company with just the word logo. Okay, after also I can define the title. Okay, so now I write just point company. Okay, company, and here will be uh, um, it is not logo, it is or okay. When I save, great. So the date, I can do the same thing. I I don't have the error. Great. So now I needed to add the paragraph, another paragraph to display uh, the description of my work experience for each experience. So after uh, after to display the link view details and hide details, okay, I add another div, okay, and the class name I can add just this class name. Okay, I add this class name. Okay, so when the users click on view details, okay, the paragraph will be open, and I can display experience details. Okay, okay. So my state accept the number. Okay, my state accept the number, and with index. Okay, we add we add for each experience, we add the the um, the unique number. Okay, so when, for example, the the index number is 1. Okay, when I click on view details. Okay, when I click on view details. Okay, uh, my index number, okay, will be will be uh, will be execute. Okay, and when I click on view detail for this data, for this experience, okay, it is another index number will be execute. Okay, so it is necessary to have the index, the different index for each experiences. Okay, great. So now I need to complete my data. Okay, and second experience, the company is Hello Booster. Okay, and I was um, the software engineer in this company. Okay, the image is I can define HBU as a Hello Booster. I will be I will define I will import my image. Okay, after the dates is December 2022, and also details. Okay, it is the same thing. You can customize your details. Okay, but here we will use just lorem ipsum as example. Okay, so you need to define your details, your description. You will to define your works in this company. So the third works is when I save now. So define before my image HPO. So import HPO from public image, okay, hb, oh, png, okay. You you can find the different image, you can find the code of my project, of this project, on my GitHub repository, okay. And you can you can clone and you can execute, and you, okay. So now I save just, and I see, okay, I have, okay. And when I click view details, I can see my description, okay. So we need to define the last the last data of my experience works, of my work experience. So the last data is data for C market, okay. I need to import the image, import C market from public, before, after image, after C market, okay. When I save and I see, okay, I have my different work experience. So I think that it is over. Let's start now to develop the component education, to define this component, okay. So now in this step of our video, I go to add the section education. So create the file education in the folder component. Here it is our section education. So it is the same thing. It is it is similar of the section work experience, okay. So I export now the component education as a function. So export default, okay, function education, okay. So so I can copy directly, okay. Div, return div, okay. I can copy the class name, for example, okay. And I add just the ID education. Here is our div. Great. So now I need to have the title education, okay. I can replace just, great. So after, I needed to have also this thing, okay. I can write this class name, Okay, flex row justify between. Okay, so after I needed to have the avatar. Okay, but before I define just the flex element, class name flex. So now I can compile just this avatar. Okay, so here search the address. Okay, in Steam, I will import this thing. Okay, and the logo I can write just UNSteam. It is the name of my school. Okay, so now we needed to import the native Nest.js image component. Import image from Nest. Import also the image UNSteam. So import UNSteam from right. When I save and when I add the component education in my page, okay, I see now this thing. Okay, so I return. I have my container class to display this this thing. Okay, the image and the title and the text, and also I needed to have the second element to display the date. So I can compile just in my component education. Okay, I can paste. So replace my date. I save. When I return, okay, I have my date. So now I needed to customize just the text. So now now here, okay, div class name flex. Okay, flex cool. test left. Okay. After title and the class name, I add the class name. Okay. The title to display my my school my school name. Okay. National University of Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. So after I need to have another title to display my certification. When I save and I return to see my page, okay, I can see my section, okay, and when I click on experience, okay, I see the section experience automatically, and when I click on link education, I see my section education. I needed to verify here it is education, okay, and on my navbar is education, okay. Okay, so great. Now we needed to add the section projects. So now let's start to develop the section projects. Okay, so in my VS Code, I can create in component folder the file project. Okay, I can export by default my function default, my function project. Okay, it is not my function default, it is my function project. So I can export by default my function project, my component group project. Okay, and return also. So I can write just div for the moment. Okay, now for each project we have the title of a project, we have the description of a project, we have the image of the project, we have the different technologies. Okay, we have the code link. Okay, if I click on this project, we can see the code of our project. So we have the code link and we have the demo, the website URL of this project. Okay, so now we can define so the interface. So interface Okay, project type, title, string, okay, description of the project, string, also, okay, image URL. So we can use a static image data, native static image data from Nest.js component. Okay, after we have this, okay, it is a string also, but it is the array. It is the array of string. We have now code link, string. We have now demo link. So project type, okay, we define our interface, and now we can define um, our array with our data. Define here const projects, okay, use project type, okay, and your data are first project, okay, the title of my project, the title of my first project is open transcript AI, okay, and after the description, okay, string also, okay. Open transcript AI is an online platform, okay. So after now we need to define the skills of this project, okay. So we have Nest.js, okay. We have also TypeScript, and we have also this thing, okay. After after skills array, we have now code link, okay, and we have also demo link, have code link, and when I go on my GitHub, I can copy the link and I can paste. Okay, and demo link. I copy just and I replace. Okay, so I have the error, image URL is missing. I can import uh, our different image, so you can see on the GitHub of this project the different image and all code. Okay, if you want, and you can use it to build your portfolio project also. Okay, so import image, the same thing, import image. Okay, and also I need to import the different image now. um, okay, and I need to import the image of the project Open Transcript I, and also the import of the project higher top. Okay, I need also to import the native Nest.js component link. Okay, and now I need to import the icon external link and GitHub icon from Lucid Real. Okay, so we can install just in in um, in your terminal. Okay, Lucid React. Okay, I can go on the official website and I can copy just this thing and in my VS Code. Okay, I can use npm. Okay, enter, and the process will be installing. Okay, so now we can continue of our project. Okay, so here it is your it is our first project. Okay, and we can add now another project. Okay, so I can copy directly and I can replace. But if you see, okay, for each project we have his title, description, image, URL, the different skills, technologies, code link and demo link. Okay, for higher top also we have description, and we have the same thing for this project. Okay, but you can add another project if you want. Okay, no problem. So here we can use just the same thing for express component and for education component. Okay, so class name, okay, container, and also we need to define ID. And this ID is project, because in our Navbar we have, okay, here we have projects plural. So now I can adjust projects plural. Okay, so after we have HTML title 2, okay, and I can copy just here, and here now I can paste because it is the same thing, and I replace by project. Okay, so now we need to define a flex. Okay, so div flex. Okay, justify center. Okay, flex what if we have many projects. Okay, it is important to use flex swap. Wait, justify center. Okay, and now we can use the Tailwind CSS grid. Okay, class name grid. Okay, calls. Okay, and if the user is on middle device or desktop device, okay, gray colon will be 2. Will be 2. Okay, so now Now we can use the car from DaisyUI. So DaisyUI, I can search car, okay, and here I can use just this or some example for this UI. Okay, so now um, another now div. Okay, so car from DaisyUI from DaisyUI. Okay, car compact. Okay, and after the background of our car, we use BG base 100. Okay, and the size of our car 80. Okay, shadow and margin to left and to right will be 2. Okay, great. So now we can define this to display the image, and I can use the native Next.js component image. Okay, so here project image. Okay, URL, and after project point title, we will use the function map. Okay, project point title, and after class name, here in in our car body, because on DaisyUI we have the header car. Okay, the header car, and also we have the car body. So here in our car body, Okay, in our car body, okay, we can display now uh, this thing. We can display now the description, okay, the scales, and also another thing. So let's start now to do this car body, okay. And in my car body, I can display now. I can display now my title. And test left, okay. And here I can insert my project title, okay. After project title, I have the description, okay. So I use the paragraph, okay, and I write just project description, okay. So now we needed to display the scales. I do just this action, okay. First wrap, okay, to display in row and in line, okay, the different scales. And you know that each the interface of the scales, okay, is it's the reason that you needed to had to apply the key, okay. If not, um, we will um, we will have the error, okay. Right. So now uh, we need to display the button, okay, the button. So and we add this thing for the footer of our car, okay. So I can copy just, okay, and I return, and here I can pass. So car action, but I use a justify start, okay. And the link here will be the link native component of of from Nest.js, okay. Okay, so after the class name for the first button will be button. Okay, we use the primary color button um, primary, and for the second button we will use also button and I can just add border slit. So now I need to import the native link component from Next.js. Okay, it's here. Okay, okay, okay. So missing this property, we can add now ref. Okay, and um, the ref will be project. So here is yes is code link. Okay, so I replace just project point code link. Okay, as ref, but here we can use ref also, but will be project point demo link. So now I can replace view code in here live demo. Okay, so it is time to use the function point map to display our project. If I return, okay, I can see anything. Okay, because I don't add project component in page file project. Now I import. Okay, so when I save, okay, I have the error. Okay, project is not defined. Okay, so how can we resolve this error? So here now it is our car. So here now it is our car. We need to display each project as car. So now here I can write so use project array. Here use project array and use the function point map. Okay, And so complete now this thing. I can close. I can close now my my function here. Okay, but I have also the error. Okay, because I don't add the key. It is very important. So um, here here now I can add the key index. Okay, when I save, I don't have the error. Okay, and I needed to personalize IC. Okay, so I needed now to personalize, to customize again our section, our component. So to do this, I forget to place my car, my grid in this block. Okay, in this block. So here, and if I do this, okay, and I save, same thing. I have same thing. Okay, so no problem. Continuous. Okay, before to resolve the error, I can customize now the link. Okay, and I can write um, project point code link. Okay, AA. So display the link. So if in the data the code link is available, okay, we will see view code. But if the code link is not available, we will not see view code. Okay, as here for example. Okay, but all projects we have view code and live demo. But if for each project we don't have a view, we don't have a code link data, we don't have code link property. Okay, view code will uh, will not available, will not appear. So here we can see. So project.log is available. Okay, display the link project uh, project code link. If not, do nothing. Just to do nothing. Okay, I see. We have also the GitHub uh, icon. Okay, so before view code I can write just GitHub. Great. We can do the same thing with live demo link. Okay, so project point demo link. Okay, AA display, and if not, do do uh, do nothing. Okay, and here I can add external link. Yes, before live demo. Okay, and if I see, okay, all right. Okay, so here now the button view code, the data view code, it is not available. So we see just the button live demo. Okay, if I see the data, this data, okay, not code link, we have just a demo link, and here we don't have a button um, view code. We have just the button um, live demo. Alright, so we need now to display correctly, okay, our component. So I can adjust here, for example, test center. Okay, when I save, and okay, the problem is also here. So here is btn primary, this is not secondary. Okay, so the size of our project, what I forget, container, I don't see the error, and yes, I think that it is, the problem is here. Okay, it is not mass, it is ms. Okay, when I do this and I save, I return. Okay, so alright now, alright, I have the image of my project, the title, the description, the different technologies, the code. Okay, the code. Okay, and also the live demo. So last uh, last uh, last thing, I need one to add the target on my each link. So here target. Okay. Okay, so here also I can do the same thing. Great. So now when I click, okay, okay, so it is not, yes, it is IT project, okay, and when I click on project, I can see my different project experience. I can see my experience, education. I can see my education. Um, if I view my project, okay, we need to develop this footer, okay. So on DaisyUI, we can see the model of our footer, okay, and uh, we will use this this model, okay. So I create the file footer in component folder, okay, and I export by default my function footer, okay, return, and now I can compile just this thing, okay. I compile, and when I return I can paste here, okay. I can paste here. I need to replace the link, so I use the native link uh, from Nest, okay. Okay, so the first link is experience, second link projects, and third link education, okay. I add the ref, mm, experience, and here ref project, okay, and here education, okay. So I can add my footer in my application, in my page. Okay, and when I see this this display, I click on experience. Okay, work experience, project section, education. I see education section. Great. So now here we need to insert the good icon from Lucid React, and this good test also. So I can copy just and in my footer file, okay, I can replace here. Okay, or it's not necessary. So now to have the icon, I can write import LinkedIn after Jura and YouTube from Lucid React. Okay, and here also I replace SVG by my icon. Okay, first icon is Twitter. Okay, so here just Twitter. Second SVG LinkedIn. Okay, and third SVG YouTube. Okay, so I need also to replace to use the native link from Navbar.js. Okay, and here ref is and after also add target blank. Okay, to open in in over Windows, to open your link in over Windows. Okay, so it is my Twitter link. Okay, so now I do the same thing for LinkedIn. Okay, so it is my LinkedIn, and I do the same thing for YouTube. Okay, but YouTube is the second social network in my footer So now I copy. Okay, I put, and after tutor I can paste now. Okay, okay. So my tutor, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, and after my LinkedIn. Okay. Now it is the time. Let's start to deploy our project on Vercel. Okay. First, you need to deploy your project on GitHub. Okay. So you can clone this repository. Okay. After you need to deploy the project on the repository GitHub, and um, after now on Vercel, on your Vercel dashboard, you can click on the button Add New. After you click on Project, okay, and you select your repository. Here, my repository GitHub is Osiris Megan, so I select, I import my project. So after you import your project, you can define the name of your project that you want. Okay, you have a choice. Framework preset Nest.js. Okay, and I can click just on deploy. I wait for a few minutes. Congratulations. Okay, we have deployed our project successfully. Okay, and if I click on this dashboard, okay, I can I can see the link to access of of this project. Okay, so I can click on visit. Okay, and now your project is deployed. Okay, you can send now your project on internet. So it is the link to visit this project online, Osiris Megan Vercel app. Okay, to visit the project online. So thank you to thank you to view this video. Okay, subscribe and like. I will I will post another great video on JavaScript on CSS, on Tailwind, on a Node.js, on a Nester.js. Okay? See you and goodbye.